Hi, IH Cleaning Company and Services. My name is Jose here with Triple J Digital Marketing, and we were chatting back and forth on Messenger on Facebook. And as promised, here's your website audit video. So I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, oftentimes in the world or the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running the business, and they don't know how it could benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have is on hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information to do it themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and seen the things I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan for yourself, that works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now this is your website. It's well built. It's a lot of information, a lot of good pictures, mostly stock pictures, but the information is good and efficient for to bring out the proper information for the customers that they're looking for your services here. Now, when we talk about content, we're talking about how many words you have on your website. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Now, Google loves content and websites, and you guys have about 215 words only on your website, on your home page. Now, the local competitor for you guys would be Home Cleaning, Made Right, which is a franchise company, but on their home page, they have about 865 words. Now, by doing this, in addition to adding more content, you have to look more like an expert in Google's eyes. So the more content you have, the better it is to rank above your competitors. If they have 1,000 words, you want to have 1,500 words or more on your homepage. Now, next, when somebody is searching for a certain search phrase, in this case would be cleaning services, Harrisonburg, Virginia. They are Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Now, this here is Ahrefs. It's a paid program that I use to research websites, and Google is looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. If you have the exact words on your homepage or the search phrase, in this case, cleaning services, Harrisonburg, Virginia, you're going to be listed in multiple times. It should be listed. Those keywords should be listed multiple times on your site. So you're going to be really relevant to that search, and Google is going to be willing to put you higher than in the results, higher than your competitor. Now let's take a look at your website here. At this moment, you don't have any ranking keywords. Your competitor here has 61 keywords that they're ranking for, and most of them could be just copy and paste. What we can do is just copy these keywords here and put them on your web page, on your home page, in order to start ranking above themselves, and then add a few more keywords that are relevant to your industry in order to rank above your competition. Now, going on to the second thing I want to cover is another important aspect to Google: backlinks and DR ratings. Now, I put your competitor here as I'm showing. The UR rating shows how powerful the website is in the eyes of Google. The DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. So an important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks. Here they have 48 backlinks, but a backlink is essentially like a shout out or an endorsement from another website. Now with this program, we can actually see what links they have and obtain them for your website. And it's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites work best. Now, at the moment, I see that you don't have any backlinks, or your website is not ranking at all at the moment, so we would need to add backlinks as well. Now, moving on to the next visible section, that is the third important item. Here we have the local map pack for Harrisonburg, Virginia, and I went ahead and did a Google search for this search phrase, cleaning services, Harrisonburg, Virginia. The top three here in this map pack are the ones that are getting a lot of work because they're super easy to find and are listed right away. So some things that you can do to get listed here is create a Google Business Profile or GBP, fill out as much as possible your name, number, hours, photos, etc., and put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. These are called citations. A citation is anywhere your name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses because they can generate huge amounts of revenue based on the volume of searches for people looking for your services. Citations are included in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureaus, and hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great as well. Now, the idea is that your site begins to be found by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above the competition. Now, the websites here on the bottom are called organics. You also want to be listed here on the top three so the most amount of people will find you. The combination with these two will give you a lot of search volume that leads to your website, which basically leads to more sales. Now, in closing, it looks like if you were to add more content to your homepage and keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot of calls. You can start to outgrow your competitors online as well. I'm not sure what your margins are at the moment, but I do imagine that this will generate some decent revenue with more traffic. So this is what I do for a living, and I hope this video was helpful. I greatly appreciate hearing your thoughts or questions. And if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, just let me know. Feel free to reach out. I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals. And I can do some research to find out exactly what could be realistic for you and your business, and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.